Tools and technology for effective time management. In today's digital age, tools and technology are a game changer in time management. This is especially relevant in HR, where you are handling vast amounts of data and information. Let's explore some of the essential tools and technology for effective time management. Time tracking apps like Toggle and Rescue Time can help HR professionals monitor where their time is going. This is crucial in HR, where understanding how much time is spent on different HR tasks can lead to better resource allocation. Project management tools like Asana and Trello are indispensable for HR professionals managing multiple HR projects. These tools provide a visual and organized way to track HR project progress and deadlines. Automation tools for HR like HRIS, that's Human Resources Information System software, can streamline routine HR tasks such as payroll and benefit administration, freeing up HR professionals to focus on strategic in HR. One significant issue is administrative overload, with HR professionals often bogged down by paperwork and manual tasks. Tools and technology can be a solution by automating routine HR process, enabling HR professionals to focus on high impact HR initiatives.